एक एमएलए म्हणटा की युनायटेड हातून कोऑर्डिनेशन खंय तरी कमी पडटा जर कोऑर्डिनेटेड आसलें जाल्यार चड इम्पॅक्ट जावंक शकता अशें म्हणटा.
I go with whatever I'm told to do, and I do my role as an opposition. I always speak to my colleagues, and I think we are doing a fine combination. And I don't think sometimes it's a perception. थोडे पाटी फोन केलो ना जाल्यार तूं जाण आमचे फ्रेंडा मदें पासून फोन केलो ना आनी कोणा आपयल ना जाल्यार ते हर्ट जातात. So it can be like this. I think these kind of things are not major issues. They are very minor issues.
पूण जर कोऑर्डिनेटेड आसले तुमी जाल्यार तेन्ना इश्यू रेज करता तेन्ना तुमकां बरें पडटा म्हणजे इश्यू डिस्ट्रिब्यूट करून जाता अशें म्हणटा ते.
They पळय, each one's perception is on what issues we have to take up, and at the end of the day we need to floor the government. So how the flooring comes on an originality, sometimes I tell you this, I think this way. Suppose 5 of us are there and all 5 of us are to speak, and I discuss my points with everybody. I'm just putting to you, unless I tell him first 3 points I will speak and next 2 points you speak, everyone hears everything and they don't know what to speak afterwards. Then before I can start, my points are taken up by someone else. You understand? So what do you mean by coordination? It means a matter of entire exercise which has to be done, a brainstorming to be done. And at the end of the day, at least we've been successful on the floor of the house yesterday. We've been able to put down whatever we wish to do. Today you will see something much more. When the bills are coming for passing, we will expose the government's sinister designs.
So you are satisfied with opposition work in the house?
Today I think we are doing our best. If you have 3 days, each day we can ask only 3-star, we can raise 3-star questions. And so you think of it, if we 7 into 3 is 21, which can put up. But on each day, only maximum 3 can be taken up. So we get only 3 each day. Suppose the days were more, we would have got probably 15, 5 days. You understanding? So we could have been able to float them better. Then we have other things for discussion. They're suspending the rules, cutting our time for speaking. Even yesterday I had more to speak, but then the bell starts ringing. What do you do? So what is more important, we focus, and the other things which we cannot, which doesn't fit in the time, we consider that as non-essential, and then we don't pick it up. And don't forget, first thing is we need to focus on our constituency also. There are issues burning entire Goa which we need to speak. But at the same time, we must focus on first time management for that when speaking is another constraint.
Yeah, thank you, sir.